Welcome back, everyone. Here we pick up where we last left off on day 4. And as you can see, with hammer in hand, we're ready to start some demo. Let's speed things up a little bit as we're going to be here for a while tonight. Please subscribe to our channel. It costs absolutely nothing and it really helps us out. Thanks. As a reminder, this is our very first demo ever. And as you can see, even though we're sped up the footage a little bit, it is taking us a little bit longer to get things done. A couple of reasons for that. In hindsight, we probably should have used better tools, but we only have household tools like anybody else would have access to that's not a contractor. So we're making do with what we have. Another reason is that we do not know what to expect. We don't know what's on the other side of this wall or inside the wall. And we're being really careful as to not damage anything electrical or anything structural. And if I say it once, I'll say it again. None of this would be possible without my wife. She literally helps me with everything that I do, and I am super blessed to have her with me.
Okay, I call BS on Chip and Joanna and HGTV because demo is not as easy as they make it look. So it has to be the call BS on that one.
And of course, we have the protection on because we do not know what's hiding in these walls. Again, this house was built in the 1950s and we just don't know what's been hiding back there, so we have to be safe rather than sorry. Here you can see the wall opening up a little bit, and you can kind of see how they built it and how they make sure that the wall was structurally sound to hold up the roof and the ceiling. So our struggle is going to be trying to figure out how to get rid of this while making the structure safe to live in.
All right, so we're finishing up for the night, and I think we did some pretty good work today. Pretty good work. Let me show you around a little bit. Process to open up this wall here from the kitchen into the living room. We also started the process of cleaning up the flooring here with all the little staples that I had from the previous carpet. And so far, so good. Whoever said demo was fun, I don't know. I think it's more hard work than fun, but it is rewarding. At the end of the day, we are newbies. We are not professional contractors, and we're just learning as we go with some guidance from our families and from YouTube. But so far, this is what we got. This room here is almost ready for painting, but we still got a little bit more work to do, a couple more staples to remove from this room, as well as this room here, which shall remain dark because it's not ready yet. This is a whole nother monster. We won't even tackle this until later. But so far so progress today, and it's time to call it a night. See you guys on the next one.
And here's a couple of pictures of some of the work that we're done for tonight. I think we've done a pretty good job for tonight. I think it's time to clean it up a little bit and prepare for the next day. Thanks so much for watching.